Hello YouTube friends. Today's Friday, 14th of June. Just got off work a little early today. I guess the time would be around 2:30 to 45 p.m. ish. Today we're in Frederiksberg. Talked about it earlier a little bit. It's like a city in the city. It's probably been everyday life. People don't think about it. It's part of Copenhagen, but it's actually an enclave with its own city council, mayor. So it's its own city within the city, if you will. I decided to walk some of the way home from work. It's been a busy, actually more than a busy week. I'm really tired. So I thought I'd bring my camera to work and then walk home to see if I can empty my head a little bit. So I might not be as talkative as I usually am, but I hope you'll enjoy anyways. Right next to me, right over here, we have what's the English word I'm looking for? Town hall, perhaps, of not of Copenhagen but of Frederiksberg. As you can probably tell, even though it is summer, people are wearing jackets. It's because it's actually below 20 degrees. It's maybe 16 or 17 degrees, which I guess most people find cold. I don't. So for me, that's exactly the perfect temperature. But I guess most people find it too cold for summer, but we're all different. It's all right.
Jo, og det er dejligt. Så bare lidt god food og lidt, ikke? Ja. Jeg var med inde forleden dag med en af Brits, altså dem jeg kender. Ikke derfra, men et andet sted, ikke? Og vi tog mig ind og få sådan en tappe, så det via en deal. Det var altså også godt.
The street we're walking on is called Falkoner Allé, and it's one of the main streets that runs through Frederiksberg. I guess in a east-west direction. We're walking west to east right now, I think. Since my sense of direction is not the best in the world, but I think west to east-ish. No, so I've promised myself this weekend that I'm not gonna do anything. Probably do laundry, that's it. I'm gonna stay to myself, maybe watch a TV show, eat a pizza, just chill. I need to chill this weekend, so that's why I thought I'll bring my camera to work and then walk with my camera home. Not all the way, I'm not filming all the way, but some of the way. I live further out, I work further out than Frederiksberg. in a part of Copenhagen called Valby, I think where I've had my camera out there once in one of my earlier walks. So today I just thought that this part of Frederiksberg, this Falkoner Allé, I don't think I've had my camera on this stretch before, so I thought I might do it today. On my left here is it's called Frederiksberg Center, so I guess the English word would be like a mall. I'm not necessarily a big fan of malls, but I guess in the winter time and it was raining, it's practical. But yeah, generally not a fan of malls. Not just this one, but in general, it's not my thing. Prefer smaller shops. And supposedly, also this weekend, like I said, I just want to kick back. I don't want to do anything. I need that. But also tomorrow is supposedly gonna rain, like really rain. So I guess that's perfect timing. For me, I guess, not for everybody. I haven't been in there for a couple of years, but if they still maintain their quality, this is a really, really great pizzeria. Like a wood-fired oven and authentic pizzas, but again, it's been a while since I've been there. We're not lucky with the lights today, but I guess that's how it is sometimes.
romantic kind of sacrifice.
Lægge et tæppe udenfor.
we're getting to the end of Falkoner Allé, the street we started walking on. We're coming up on a busy street right now, a road. I'm thinking we'll head onto the other side of the road, a couple of more blocks, and then call it a day.
Den der grønne ting. Jo! Vi er på Frederiksberg.
Alright, since we crossed the road, we're not longer in Frederiksberg. We're in my neighborhood, Nørrebro. So yeah, I think there's an old building around the corner I can give you a shot at, and then I think we'll call it a day, and I'll take this weekend off. It looks like it needs some TLC, this old building. Hopefully they'll do something about it. But anyways, guys, as per usual, even though it was a bit short and quiet today, I appreciated you guys hanging out with me as per usual. Feel free, of course, leave a comment, push the like button, and so on and so on. Other than that, I'll just wish you a pleasant weekend. See you next week, guys. Bye bye.